If your idea of the perfect Vermont getaway is quiet water, beautiful scenery, and a cozy cottage you can simply lock up and enjoy, take a look at this. You've got 2 bedrooms, thoughtful updates, and direct access to the peaceful lifestyle of Metcalf Pond. The bright, open-concept living area is surrounded by windows, bringing in plenty of natural light while showcasing picturesque views of the pond and surrounding hills. The cottage has been thoughtfully renovated, with updated windows, electrical, plumbing, a sliding glass door, and numerous additional improvements, creating a comfortable blend of modern convenience and rustic charm. Upstairs, you'll find 2 generously sized bedrooms, giving you a cozy place to unwind after a day spent enjoying the water. The layout keeps the cottage comfortable and inviting, while the large windows continue to connect you with the peaceful natural setting outside. Step onto the expansive deck, and this property really becomes a getaway. It's the perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee, listen to the birds, relax in the fresh air, or gather with family and friends. A storage shed gives you additional room for outdoor equipment, and most of the furnishings convey, making this an easy turnkey retreat. Then there's Metcalf Pond itself. Whether you're into fishing, swimming, kayaking, or paddleboarding, you've got plenty of ways to enjoy the water. And because motorboats aren't permitted, the pond maintains a peaceful atmosphere that's becoming harder to find. The waterfront community consists of just 50 seasonal cottages, giving the area an intimate and quiet feel. The location also gives you convenient access to some of Vermont's most desirable destinations. From here, you have an easy commute to Burlington, Jeffersonville, and Stowe, allowing you to enjoy the tranquility of the pond without being too far from everyday